A massive data exposure has been uncovered in Microsoft Azure Logic Apps. If your organization uses cloud automation, you need to pay attention to this right now. First, let's understand the scale. Azure Logic Apps are the engine room of modern enterprise IT. They connect critical services like CRM, email, and databases into automated workflows. Businesses rely on these logic flows to move sensitive customer data, process orders, and manage internal communications without human intervention. It is the invisible nervous system of the company. But recently, researchers discovered a significant vulnerability dubbed workflow exposure. This wasn't a hack in the traditional sense, but a configuration oversight that left doors wide open. The issue stemmed from how Logic Apps handles logging. When developers set up these workflows, they often enable detailed logging to troubleshoot issues. However, these logs capture everything, including the raw data passing through the app. We are talking about headers, bodies, and parameters of web requests. Crucially, this often includes sensitive information, API keys, authentication tokens, and connection strings to other internal systems. The problem was that in many default configurations, the permissions to view these logs were too broad. Anyone with basic read access to the resource group could potentially see these secrets. This created a lateral movement path. An attacker didn't need admin rights initially. They just needed to peek at the workflow history to find the keys to the kingdom, database credentials, or admin tokens. The impact goes beyond technical risk. For regulated industries, this kind of exposure is a nightmare for GDPR, HIPAA, and other compliance frameworks. Unencrypted sensitive data in logs is a major violation. Fortunately, the path to remediation is clear. Microsoft and security experts have laid out the steps to close this gap. It starts with visibility. You must audit who has access to your Logic Apps resource groups. The reader role might be more powerful than you think if it allows viewing run history. Second, use the secure inputs and secure outputs features in Logic Apps. This obfuscates sensitive data in the run history, ensuring secrets aren't written to logs in plain text. Finally, apply the principle of least privilege. Only give users the absolute minimum permissions they need. Developers don't always need production log access. Automation is powerful, but it cannot come at the cost of security. Review your workflows today and lock down those logging permissions. Stay safe, stay secure, and keep your cloud environment locked down. Thanks for watching.